You're watching Good Day Austin on Fox 7.
All right, Beverly Sanborn is here to help us and help our brains. And we need it.
We need all the help
She is a licensed clinical social worker, does a lot of work with seniors, trying to keep all minds sharp. And she's here to talk a little bit about that. Welcome in.
Thank you.
What are we talking about today?
Well, today we're going to talk about whole brain fitness.
Okay.
So it's not just your brain itself, it's the whole brain, which means it's your whole body.
Okay. Kind of a use it or lose it, just like physical
Yes,
fitness?
Right, correct.
Okay.
Well, actually, since you mentioned physical fitness is a key part of maintaining your brain.
Okay.
It's critical that you exercise every day.
Okay. What are some of the other key parts?
Well, the other key parts are eating properly. And that means that you don't eat as much red meat. I know this is not.
This is the sad part of it.
I know. This is the bad part. There is a bad part. But you eat a lot of vegetables and a lot of fruits.
Okay.
A lot of emphasis. And then if it swims or flies.
Okay.
That's better. Swimming and flying. Yeah. And then the other thing that you need to be connected to people. It turns out the research is very strong on that. The more you're connected to people, the better your brain is going to be.
Having a social network.
A social network, yes. The social network is critical, yes. And then, of course, you also want to keep your brain stimulated.
And that doesn't happen sometimes when people retire, disengage more than they're not working their brain as much as they used to.
They don't work, well, even if they're not retired. If you're tweeting and twittering a little too much, you're going to...
Uh-oh, just got real on the couch.
Beverly, I use my brain for those tweets.
Yeah, well, sometimes you can.
Yeah.
I'm thinking critically.
I'm pretty mindless in there.
Post. Yeah.
Well, you want to challenge your brain. And what you want to do is what we call in whole brain fitness, all of the elements.
Okay.
So it's the exercise, the mental workouts, and the sense of purpose, the sense of the social connectedness, the heart-healthy diet, and also reducing stress.
What's a
Is that possible?
No.
Well, that's some of those things that's easier said than done for some people.
When you say mental workout, are we talking about writing? Are we talking about reading, playing crossword puzzles, doing math?
It's all of that. Yes, it's all of that. And what it also is doing is critical thinking. One of the key things that you want to work on is this part of the brain here, the frontal lobe. And critical thinking means that, for example, you're going to challenge your brain, and you're going to challenge your brain with saying words. Now,
You're about to quiz us here? Is this where we get to it? Okay.
Here is an example of word recall.
Okay.
How many animals can you name that start with the letter B?
Buffalo,
Bird.
bear, bird,
Beef.
beaver, beaver,
Big
I'm just saying
bird.
Come on, Dave.
Bird.
Big cat.
That's a cute
20.
one.
I say 20. I'm just 20.
I don't think Big Bird.
20.
Okay, and you didn't say bonobos.
I didn't.
forgot
Oh,
about
man,
Yeah,
I wish I was on that. Yeah. So when you do those questions, if you do well, that's great. If you didn't, that's okay too. Just keep
Well, what you
racing
want to
through.
do is you want to time yourself, because this is speed of process.
Okay.
And start with every letter of the alphabet. Now for X, okay, and Q.
Right.
You know, a few of them. All right, and Z isn't too good, but
Zebra.
start with every letter of the alphabet and see if you can name 10 animals in a minute.
Okay.
So give yourself 1 minute.
Okay.
That's a good idea.
Yeah.
Just giving everybody an assignment out there.
Yeah.
Yeah,
They won't get much work done today. Hold on, I'm on D here.
Hang on.
Well, there's always don't.
That's right.
Dragon.
We're spotting you a few of those. But that's a good way. And all the graphic you just showed with the whole brain, those are really just tips for a life well lived, too. As
That's
we look
correct.
at it again,
That's
it's going to
correct.
help keep your brain in shape. But that's what we all should be aspiring to do at any age.
Yes, that is correct at any age. This is right.
And start now doing
Yes.
all of these
You-
things
you need to start-
keep yourself fresh.
You need to start now, particularly because before you get Alzheimer's, or if you have Alzheimer's disease, the process of losing brain cells starts about 20 years before that.
Oh, wow.
So you see, you really, in your 40s, you really want to start a whole brain fitness.
Okay. Keep your brain active.
Yes, yes.
Never too early, probably never too late to just try to do
That's
something,
right.
too. Okay,
That's
well,
true.
very good information, Beverly Sanborn.
Thank you.
We appreciate it.
Thank you.
I'm going to work on my bee animals. I got a lot of work to do. We'll be right back.
There you go.
For any